Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to number related posts as well as count the total using the MB Views extension from MetaBox. This way is incredibly useful. By displaying a count of these posts, you can give your readers a clear idea of how much relevant content they can explore. In this tutorial, we'll use a post field to store multiple related posts. Then, I'll show you two ways to display the numbered bullet points for each related post, or by showing the total number of related posts at the bottom of the section. Let's see how to have it. First, we need the MetaBox plugin, which provides a framework for creating a custom field. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. Also, you may need some advanced features from extensions of MetaBox, so you can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one to get everything together. These are the extensions you may want to activate for this practice. MB Views to create a template for displaying and counting related posts. MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the back end for visually creating custom fields to save the related posts. In the case that you want to display related content in the post of any custom post type, you should activate the MB Custom Post Type extension as well. In this practice, I will use the blog posts for demonstration purposes only, so I skip this extension. Now, let's go step by step. I am going to add related posts to my blog posts, so I'll create the field without any extra steps. As mentioned earlier, if you're adding these related posts to posts in a custom post type, you'll need to create that post type first, and then create a custom field. For illustration purposes of this practice only, I'll set up a field to add multiple related posts like this. Now, go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and create a new field group. Add a field in the type of post. This field type allows you to choose more than one post from a regulated post type so that you can use it to choose several posts. Then we can see them as related posts. You should configure this field a little bit. Specifically, in this setting, you should choose the post type that the related posts are. In other words, only the posts from the post type set in this box can be chosen. Next, in the field type setting, you can choose a kind of selecting field. Then the created field will inherit its style of displaying and inputting data. To know more about the style of each option in this setting, you can refer to the documentation of each providing field type. Another point, you should turn on the multiple option if you want to allow users to add more than one related post. After configuring all options for the field, move to the Settings tab, set location as post type, then choose a post type of the post where you want to show related posts. Go to the post editor. You will see the created field. Now, you can click on the field and see the list of posts from the post type you set in the settings of the fields. Just choose some of them from the list. Before counting the number of posts, we need to display them first. Head over to Views in MetaBox and create a new view for its template. With MB Views, you can add some lines of code to the Template tab, or insert fields into it by clicking this button, and choose any fields on the right sidebar to get data from them. In this case, insert the created field and its suitable output. Then, it will automatically generate code to the template. As we have many posts input in the fields, we'll have a loop here. It will list all the related posts which are added into the custom fields. After that, go down to the settings section of the view, set the type as singular, and choose the location as the singular of your post type. Then, you'll see the related posts section in every post. Next, we will add some numbers to this section to let audiences know the total number of related posts. Back to the template, I add a variable to automatically number each related post in the list. This helps track and display the order of each post. Moving on the front end, you'll see the related posts listed with numbered bullet points. This makes it easy for readers to see how much associated content they can explore. Moreover, if you update the custom field, the list will automatically refresh to reflect those changes, ensuring your content stays up to date and engaging. Still in the created template, remove this variable first. And add a few lines of code. I created this variable, which represents the number of posts selected in the post field with this ID. Then, I use the count function to calculate the total number of posts from that field. The following line is to display the number of posts that have been counted above. Now, you'll see the total number of related posts displayed right here, giving you a clear insight into the content available. That's the end of today's tutorial. Try it and let us know your thoughts. If you want to find out how to play around more with MetaBox, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye!